This example we have secant squared theta minus tan squared theta will be equal to 1. So let's see how to solve this one. As you know, secant is the inverse of cosine, so I'm going to write 1 over cosine squared theta minus tan squared theta, which will be sine squared theta divided by cosine squared theta. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to have the denominator here, same denominator, and the numerator is going to be 1 minus sine squared theta. So it's going to be 1 minus sine squared theta is going to be cosine squared theta divided by cosine squared theta. So the answer will be 1, as you see here. So let's repeat again. We have secant, which is 1 over cosine, and tan was sine over cosine. So that's how it's changed to 1 minus sine squared theta divided by cosine, and then these two cancel out and it will be equal to 0. It will be equal to 1.